Hello, my name is Owen Rubel, and I'm here to present the Akihabara game framework, which allows you to develop 16-bit games in HTML5. I'm just doing a brief add-on to my last video where I talked about adding clickable objects. For instance, in my last video I talked about adding menus and a few other things to the Akihabara framework. One thing that I didn't talk about and that I didn't finish was for that video, and I just finished 24 hours later, was scrolling in the console. And this was something that I really wanted to add on to. You notice that I added buttons and everything else, but the one thing that I wanted to add, let's see, emote, dances. The one thing that I really wanted to add to the console was scrolling, because it's nice to have a console, but I mean, if that console doesn't have scrolling functionality, I mean, it really limits you as to what you can do within that console. Only five lines of text, that really does you no good. The console is there to have lines and lines of text, not only for you and your communication, but for system messages, as you can see here. So I am talking now. So as you saw, whoops, as you saw, there we go. Forgot to type that. I can say things, I can emote, and I can have system out messages. But what I really wanted to demo was the scrolling. So I added the ability to scroll. So we can scroll all the way back. Unfortunately, it looks like the scrolling is not. It's scrolling all the way back to nothing, which we gotta stop that. But it does allow us to scroll, which is a very positive thing now. We can fix that little bug to where it scrolls back to nothing. That's a very easy bug to fix. But again, the console now has scrolling, and wanted to pop that up real quick and put out a video to show that and show scrolling within the Akihabara framework. And now this log here, the logging that you see, this is all going on the back end as well. So in the first video you saw how if the player goes into a room, I mean, the mapping resources are being loaded from the back end. The player resources are being loaded from the back end as well. I couldn't find a good cross-platform way of loading of keeping the log resources on the client side that was safe for Linux, Mac, and Windows, and would work in all browsers. So I'm just loading that in a database, and that works really well, because in getting this, I mean, it's 5 lines. I can use a limit and an offset, grab in descending order, and limit to 5 rows, as you can see, offset by, you know, whatever it is I'm doing here. So as I hold the mouse down, it increments the value of the offset, and as I hold the mouse down for going down, it decrements the offset. So that's it's very easy fix there to do for a database. It's a little more complex than that in implementing, but that gives you basically the gist of it. I just wanted to put out a quick video to show that this has been implemented, and I got this up and working now, and just wanted to show people what you can do with the Akihabara framework. This is just one more thing that you can do, and that I got functioning within this. So again, play around with the Akihabara framework, have some fun. I know I am, and I'll keep putting up videos and show you what you can do. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.